Hi everyone, welcome back to ByteRipple. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to resize our HTML table. In our last class, we looked at how to add table borders, how to design or apply different table borders. But in today's video specifically, we are going to look at how to make our table resize the old table itself and to resize the table rows and the table column. So without any further delay, let me show you how to achieve that. As you can see here in our pre-written HTML file, we have a single table and we have multiple rows, okay, with multiple columns. Now, for us to apply or increase the size of this particular table, as you can see here, the table by default, without applying any table size or any table width, we see that it's like half of the screen. But to increase the size of this particular table, you just simply come to this HTML tag, the table tag, and we apply HTML attribute called style. Okay, by now we should be aware or know what this means. And when we apply this attribute, we apply the value style, we apply the attribute style, then we apply the value width, because we want to increase the width of this particular table. And for us to increase the width, let's say we increase it by 100%. CSS unit we use here is percentage. So this will give this particular table an 100% width. Okay, if I Control S this table now, we see that the table itself has increased in size. So that's how we achieve increasing the size of an HTML table. For us to be more specific, by increasing the size of either the first column, second column, or third column. We can also apply the same rule, but slightly different. So for instance, if we want to increase the width of this particular table header, we can simply just come to the row that contains this header, and we apply the same HTML inline style attribute. So we say style. Okay, and we want to increase the width, and we apply the keys and the values. So we can say, let's increase this width by 50%, as a 50%, as we did for the table itself. Okay, and we Control S, and we see that the size of this particular table row, the header row, has been increased. This is also applicable to either of the other rows, or for the columns itself. For instance, if we want to increase the height of this particular column, here, we can just simply go to a specified column table data in that column, and we apply the same HTML style attributes. Okay, we say style attributes, and we simply increase, let's say, the height, like GT, and we say that the height, let's apply 200 pixels for the height, and we just Control S, and we see that now the height of this particular table column has been increased. Okay, so this is how we achieve increasing the width or the height of a table row or a table column. So in our next video, we are still going to be seeing more of how to go about manipulating HTML tables and HTML headers. So until then, keep learning, keep coding, and as always, one byte make a big impact. Bye for now.